this is where the biology comes in. We're trying to meet a biological need for oxytocin, the hormone of bonding and safety, with dopamine, the hormone of anticipation and reward. Hi, I'm Dr. Elena Bagourdi. I'm a clinical psychologist and therapist, exploring how technology and AI are reshaping our relationships, our attachment patterns, and our sense of self.
Today, I want us to look at the connection between oxytocin and dopamine and what the biological reason is that the internet functions as a buffer between us and the world, and why this trade-off leaves us feeling so empty.
Oxytocin is what we get from eye contact, a hug, a soothing voice, shared laughter, even comfortable silence. It's what we feel when we're adequately mirrored. Dopamine, on the other hand, is what we get from the maybe feeling. Maybe the next video, maybe the next notification, maybe the next message. And every time we feel even a tiny bit of relief online, our brain records that. It learns when I feel uncomfortable, this helps. So we begin pairing emotional discomfort with the ritual. And soon, the anticipation itself becomes part of the addiction. We get pulled in before we even log on. But trying to replace oxytocin with dopamine is like trying to live on cotton candy. It's sweet, it's fast, it's stimulating, but it leaves us profoundly disconnected. So if we look through the lens of attachment, there's a question we need to ask ourselves softly every time we go online without thinking. What is my nervous system seeking relief from right now? Because underneath the craving, there's usually a feeling we're trying not to feel. So the internet, and especially the little screen in your hand, becomes a kind of shield through layers of apps. It lets you be close to others, but not too close. Seen, but only in a curated way. Connected, but never fully exposed. Understanding this changes the conversation. The point is not to hate our devices or shame ourselves for using them. The point is to get curious about the craving underneath. So the next time you notice yourself reaching for your phone again, pause for one slow breath and ask, what am I really needing right now? Stimulation or connection? Distraction or relief? That single moment of curiosity brings you, your awareness, back into the loop. And that is where change starts. Not with force, but with understanding. In the next video, I'll talk more specifically about what happens in the brain and body when we scroll, and why this isn't just a mental habit, but a full nervous system loop. For now, remember this. What you call my internet addiction might really be your nervous system's best attempt at solving an older, deeper ache. The ache of not feeling truly seen, valued, or accepted. And that is something we can work with. Not by abandoning technology, but by slowly learning to offer ourselves the kind of contact that no screen can fully replace.